Hi, everybody. This is Gerritsen, Tabea Law. I'm here to be your guide, to be your partner to the immigration world. And please go ahead and subscribe right here. And not only subscribe, but if you can, go ahead and like and go ahead and do the notification also. And the notification will notify you when a new video is ready for your viewing. And so please go ahead and do those things right now. Don't wait. Do it right now. And so we can move forward. I'm going to go ahead and talk about citizenship today. And we'll start a several part series. And we'll go into it in detail. You don't have to hire an immigration attorney to get your citizenship. You can do this all by yourself. And so let me help you do that if you like. Again, I'm not being your attorney. Again, there's no client-attorney relationship here. It's just me being your guide, being your partner informally, and showing you how you could do this on your own. All right. So if you're near your computer, please go ahead and go to uscis.com. I'm going to go there right now with you. Again, US, like United States, CIS, Citizenship, Immigration Services.gov. Okay. Once you get there, you'll see the top. You'll see topics, forms, newsroom, citizenship, green cards, laws, and tools. Go ahead and click on the citizenship. And then you'll see Citizenship Resource Center. You'll go down a little bit and you'll see topics. And you'll see learn about citizenship, apply for citizenship. Go ahead and click where it says apply for citizenship. Okay, and then here you are. Now, one of the first things you could do, let me see here, you got a video. And this is not my site. This is the government site. This is where you actually will apply, and if it works out, you'll get your citizenship through the government. It's the USCIS underneath the Department of Homeland Security. So I encourage you to read that or to go ahead and watch that video. And then quickly, what you could do, let me see here. Let's go ahead and go to the first part where it says apply for citizenship, and you'll see apply for, just read that. The first section says apply for U.S. citizenship by submitting form N400. Go ahead and click that. It's a hyperlink. Go ahead and click it, N400. Now you'll come to a page where it says N400 application for naturalization. And then you'll see file online. But actually right above that, it says check your eligibility. That's probably a good thing to do. Do it up front, do it now. Don't start filling out the application until you know that you're eligible to do it. Generally, you have to have a green card for at least 5 years. Sometimes it's 3. And you have to be in country for the last 3 of the 5 years. Let's go ahead and look at it. And actually, you can find that out yourself right here. So let's go ahead and click on that. Check your eligibility. And that tells you right here is a naturalization eligibility tool. Go ahead and click on where it says determine my eligibility. And then you'll walk through their questions and answers. It says, were one or both your parents a U.S. citizen when you were born? You could put yes or no, and then just go right through that, and they'll tell you where you're at. Okay. After you do that, once you've discovered that, yes, you are eligible to go ahead and to be a citizen of this country, then go ahead and fill out the applications, the N400. And again, this is not through me. This is not my company. It's not my law firm. This is the U.S. government. You're going directly to the government and doing this online. The tab we hit earlier was a check your eligibility. All right. Once you do that, then come back to this page and then go below. You'll see the video again. Go below the video where it says what this form can do to help you. And then form details. Then you'll see form and document downloads. Go ahead and open that tab. And after you click that drop down, the first item you will see there is the form N400. And it'll say use with Adobe Reader. So that's what you want to hit. Go ahead and click that. That takes us to the actual application. It's a 20-page application. Again, you don't have to have an attorney. You don't need me, you don't need anybody. You can do this yourself, okay? So pages 1 through 20, and you start here, application for naturalization. You see on the side where it says USCIS, form N400. You'll see where it says date stamp, receipt, action block. You don't do anything in there. That's for the government to fill out. You go below there and you'll see where it says start here. Okay, so, and you can fill this out right online. These are fillable. You can do it right from your computer. And I would recommend that. You could either do that, you can print out this whole 20 pages and fill it out. If you fill it out with an ink pen, make sure, and it tells you right here on the application, start here, it says type or print in black ink. So don't use blue, don't use red, don't use any other, don't be cute, right? This is black ink, use black ink. Oftentimes people do hire an attorney because they don't want to spend their whole lives trying to get this figured out, right? You know, it's not that difficult, but if you do it in some other color and you send it in, it could be rejected and sent back to you, and you have to start from scratch and you waste all that time, all that energy on something that could have been easily avoided. So if you're gonna write it out, black ink. Okay, and then so if you're typing or if you're writing it in, the first thing they're going to ask for is your A number. Okay, if you are a legal permanent resident right now, if you have your green card, then you have an A number. And then right there, you're going to write in your 9-digit A number. And then below that it says you are at least 18 years of age. Okay, that's one of the requirements to become a citizen. And below, you're going to fill out the rest. You have an unlawful permanent resident. So whichever one that applies to you, you're going to want to click. Okay. And then let's go back to the 18 years of age. There are likely exceptions to that rule. So don't take that as a complete answer on that. But anyways, this is probably a good time to stop because I've gone over time. But part 2, we're going to start right here and we'll continue to go through this 20-page application for citizenship. Okay, let me go ahead and read this. The Bible says here in Genesis 1:27 says, so God created man in his own image. In the image of God created he him, male and female created he them. Don't forget to subscribe. And actually, I think it's right here. Sorry. Subscribe. Yeah, click that subscription so you can subscribe to these free online talks about immigration law. And also, please like and go ahead and hit the notification, the little bell there, so that you can be notified of new videos. And again, let me be your guide, your partner in the world of immigration. Thank you so much, and you have a great day.